In this video, I simply want to show you how to open the hood of your Nissan Pathfinder. So what you need to do is to go over here in the driver footwell, and usually you see a latch for the hood latch over here or over there. On this car it's hidden, so you need to go down and you're gonna notice it's right over here. You even get an icon on the top. So you're gonna pull this latch and we are going to go in the front of the truck. In the front over here, you'll be able to put your finger, lift slightly the hood, and the hood latch is right over there. Let me open and I'll show you how it looks. So this is the hood latch. You simply need to push it towards the left. By pushing it towards the left, you will unlock it and you'll be able to open the hood. The prop rod is located on the right side, and you're gonna put it right over here where you see the arrow. Please leave a comment down below if this video was helpful. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.